Hop into the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.